Okay, I'm back. I've mounted the front panel and I wanted to show you what it looks like put together. I ended up going with a metal box because when I was doing a material test on some acrylics, I actually saw some live flame being formed while I was at the higher temperatures or the higher powers, and I thought that was a little bit dangerous. I also want to do some wood cutting, and I thought if God forbid there's a fire or something goes wrong, I'd rather have a metal enclosure than wood, particle board, or anything like that. And this is laser shielding, which is good from 250 nanometers to I think 550 nanometers, so it's well within the range to protect my eyes. And you can see down in there from here, I wanted originally a bigger window, but there's a support bracket right here that I decided not to cut through. I'll open it up. There are two lights mounted in here because the first light, which you can see when the door is closed, gets blocked, and I wanted enough light to work when I was trying to set things up. These are great little lights. These are just magnetic, so I didn't have to mount them, and I'm going to be able to reposition them as I work with this and see where they work best optimally. This fits fine with the slide extension. Fits fine without the slide extension. If you use the jig to do tumblers with the rotary tool in a vertical position, it also fits in here. This is my USB port, which is a pass-through. This is the dryer vent. This is power for the main unit, which is switched in the back. And then these both are the lights. Each of those are switched. There's a little project box. Let's go around to the side. Here is the dryer vent. This is a quick disconnect. You just twist and it comes off. And you put it back and twist. I'm not sure where this is going to live, so that's going to be easy for me to move it around. This is the back side of the project box. This is main power to the unit. This is an IEC cable. This turns all power off to everything. And the LaserPecker is plugged into the one outlet. The other two outlets, these are switched, so I can turn on and off the lights individually. This is for the fan, which is over there. And hidden under here is my USB pass-through. Back around front. I'm going to close this back down. It's a nice feature. It does lock. I don't have any little children or trying to keep people away from it, but I think it's a nice feature if you want it. This sticker came with the laser glass. I couldn't help putting it on. Things I thought about doing. This unit came with a shelf, and I was thinking of mounting the shelf and put it on a horizontal drawer glide so it could slide out and I could set my project up and then slide it back in. But I didn't realize that these were here, so I'd have to cut the shelf down. I also realized that the weight of the LaserPecker would cause the cabinet to tip when I pulled it out, so I'd either have to permanently mount it or counterweight it. The other thing I thought about doing was putting some threaded feet so I could level the box. Again, I don't know where this is going to permanently live, so I'm going to see if that becomes an issue, and if it is, then I will put those in and post an update. I have a link to all the links of everything involved in this, which I will post for anybody who's interested. Thanks for watching.